Be nice. Oh, Armani, you should run away. No, he's gonna sit there and let me say, oh, hi, kitty. Do you have... Oh, what's wrong? You want the kitty? The kitty's right there. Going to get the kitty. Are those jeans hard to crawl in, baby? Armani. Are you teasing her? Yeah? Oh, say, I just want to pull your hair. Hey? Say hi, Mom. Oh. Who comes to see you? Be nice, Mila. Oh my goodness, what kind of cat lets a baby do that to them? Be nice. You're not being very nice. Does he like that? Oh, there's a purr. Oh my goodness. Oh, let go. You. Armani. Hey, don't bite the kitty. Be nice. You got lots of hair in your mouth? Say I love you. What's the problem? Hi.